Welcome to App Mode Designs. Make the planes visible. Go for front plane, sketch, go for a center rectangle, place it in the center and give some dimension there using smart dimension, length and width. Now, okay, we'll change the dimension slightly. Go for line and we will divide the rectangle into a quadrant so that we can do a revolve later. So I drew two lines, one vertical and horizontal. Go for a 3-point arc and we'll create a small dome there. Yeah, give some dimension there. 95. Then trim and we'll trim every section leaving the right half so that revolve works proper. And we'll add a center line there for axis. Done. Now go for exit sketch, features, revolve boss and select the axis, and we got our lower portion of our regulator knob. Now we'll create a plane using reference geometry and create an offset plane at a distance. Yeah. This is for the grip. This plane is created for the grip, but before that we'll just do a shell on the bottom to create a hollow portion there. Give some thickness and click on OK. Done. Now going for the grip area. Select the created plane, go for sketch, create a center point straight slot and give a proper dimension there, adjusting the size proper. Smart dimension, radius. Yeah. Exit, go for boss, reverse direction, up to next. Yeah, they got a grip there. Now applying some fillet to the top to remove the sharp edges. Done. Click on OK. Now we will go for the front plane sketch and create a small pointer there, a triangular pointer. Keep the sketch open so that we can use rib option. So one side of the triangle remains open, rib, and reverse the direction. Give some thickness there and click on OK. Done. So we have got a pointer there. Now go for fillet and apply some roundness to the sharp edges. OK. Little bit more fillet to other edges. OK. And then for the grip area, fillet. Okay. Now one more edge. Okay. So the outer portion of the knob is almost done. Now I'll apply fillet to the lower edges to remove the sharp edges. Some minute fillet there because already the thickness is smaller on that area. So give a slight thickness for the fillet. Yeah. So done. Now we'll go for reference plane and create a plane reverse direction, inward direction, inwards. at very small distance and click OK. Yeah, this is the plane created for the inner keyway area so that the knob can be fitted on the board wherever the switch is present. So go for a circle. Yeah, adjust the sizes and give a rectangle there, center rectangle for creating the keyway like shape. Trim it. So our middle portion is ready. Now just adjust the dimensions, give smart dimension there. Yeah, verify. Done. Exit and go for extrude, reverse and up to the next. So we have our middle part ready. Now we'll create supports. Select the top face, the same face we created. We can select that face and go for sketch. Sketch. Now we'll create a open line again uh, for using the rib command. So we have an open line there. Now we need a circular sketch pattern. So select the object, go for circular sketch pattern, and we can give number of items 3. Now select the points. Now see, sometimes the point does not select, so we can also select the edge. Okay, we can select the edge. Sometimes it is difficult to select the point, so you can also select the edge. So you can see you got your line pattern. So apply the number of items and click on OK. Done. Now go for exit rib and you can apply your required thickness and click on OK. Done. So the inner boss area is done. Now hide the planes and go for fillet to apply rounded edges to the inside faces. Yeah. And once done, click on OK. Done. Now we'll apply some fillet to the inner area as well to give some roundness to the edges. A very small fillet there. Once OK, then yeah, click on OK. Done. Now we have here regulator knob design ready. Now you can change the visibility to smooth edges and we can see the knob proper. And change the visibility to sharp edges. The edge is visible. Now select the top face, go for sketch, and we will create a small circle there for indicating the pointer side. We'll create a small dent, exit, extrude cut. Okay. Okay. So we have our small indicator there, a small dent to indicate the pointer location. That's your regulator knob design. You can see from all sides all features are proper. If any edges are left out, you can apply fillet and smooth it. So see you in the next one.